Want to be the boss of your own truck? Here are 8 essentials to start as an owner-operator. 1. Get your Class A CDL. Pass those tests and secure that license. 2. You're the boss now. Expenses, load choices, and routes are totally under your control. 3. Experience matters. Gain at least 2 years as a company driver first. 4. Make it official. Form your company and separate your business bank account. 5. Cover your risks with liability, cargo, and physical damage insurance. 6. Don't skip taxes and permits like the IFTA, fuel tax, and heavy vehicle use tax. 7. Do your daily pre-trip inspections and never neglect maintenance. 8. Stay compliant. Track your hours electronically and strictly follow FMCSA rules. Ready? Start your engine and chart your own path.